When it comes to mortise locks, there are a range of different sizes, security levels and functions which you need to consider. Follow these easy steps to replace your mortise lock. For purposes of this video, we are showing a Yale British Standard 5-lever deadlock. Tools required: ruler, crosshead screwdriver, chisel and hammer. Mortise locks are sized by the depth of the lockbox and the rectangular hole, the mortise, into which the lock fits. First, you need to check the size of your existing lock. To do this without removing it from the door, measure the distance from the centre of the keyhole to the edge of the door. If the distance is 45mm, you will need a 64mm or 2.5-inch mortise lock. If the distance is 57mm, you will need a 76mm or 3-inch mortise lock. Remove the escutcheon from the door using a small crosshead screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws in the lockbox. Now, remove the outer fore-end and lockbox from the door. Remove the 4 screws that are securing the strike to the door frame. The strike will then come away. Depending on the lock which you are removing, you may need to undertake some preparation work to accommodate your new mortise lock. This may include chiselling the rectangular hole, the mortise, to create more space for your new lockbox, or adjusting the keyhole positions. Insert the lockbox into the door and then place the outer fore-end in position. Secure using the 2 screws provided. Insert the key into the inside of the door through escutcheon to ensure this is in the correct position. Remove the key and secure in place using the 2 small screws provided. Repeat this process for the external side of the door using the escutcheon with the cover plate. Insert key and ensure the lock is functioning correctly. Depending on strike which you remove from the door frame, you may now need to undertake some preparation work to accommodate the new one. Insert the new strike and secure in place using the screws provided. Close the door, insert key and ensure the lock is functioning correctly. The fitting of your new Yale mortise lock is now complete. The Yale British Standard 5-lever deadlock comes with a 10-year guarantee. For more information, please visit yale.co.uk.